jamming, coming back from the dry Tortugas. I think I'm in Sugarloaf Key right now, heading north on US 1. Let me tell you, it was an absolute blast. I've never been snorkeling like that in my life. I kayaked all the way out to Loggerhead Key at the lighthouse, snorkeled that reef, and I'm telling you what, there's nothing more beautiful other than a sunset or a sunrise that could even compare to what I saw underneath that water. You definitely have to check it out. And I'm not even getting paid for this. Go down to the Keys, stay, eat, drink, fish, snorkel, kayak, whatever floats